Hi, let's go. Today I'm going to narrate a case study on that company. The moment the names comes, I must start watering. Yes, none other than Domino's. Yes, Domino's also has the bounce back story. You believe or not, it is. There are hardly anyone in this world he don't know of Domino's or not tasted Domino's. Everyone know of Domino's. Yes, they're known for the famous pizza leaders. But you know their bounce back stories? Yes. In way back 28, 2008, pizza tasted badly like a cardboard. It's not my saying, large public opinion. Yes, the sales was declining, the stock market was declining badly. See, imagine the famous brand someone given the pursuing a pizza tasting very bad. It's tasting like a cardboard. So what the company will do? But the bounce back story of pizza, the company went back in public, made up acceptance through their ad. They accepted their how the pizza is. They applied criticism in publicly. They started working on sausage, ingredient, taste, everything, including sausage, everything. And people started liking it, liking their honesty, liking their inventor working on their own ingredients. The taste was amazing. People started liking it, and that one public apology, acceptance in public, they bounce back the story. And also, Pizza done one more thing. Domino's done one more thing. They re-innovated in technology way before the it was needed. Yes, when it was not needed, that time also they innovated on technology for the creating the app for instant ordering and to monitor their logistics. So that's why you can see the logistics department, everyone pizza delivery boys go with the blue boxes, Domino's pizza, timely delivery system, everything. They innovated on technology. They extended the customer services. That is a bounce back story of pizza and Domino's. And we all know there are many pizza companies, but Domino's is the leader. Leading the what is learning from Domino's? First thing, the public criticism is genuine. Don't defend yourself. Accept it. Acceptance, people like it. The honesty and transparency, and that will ultimately help you in the building a credential trust. The Domino's done this. Accepted the genuine criticism through publicly. Second thing, work on yourself. My way is highway. No. Go through the customer feedback. Ultimately, we are selling to the customer and we should align our product or services according to customer need, not as per our wish. Domino does that. They work on ingredient, work on sausage, taste, everything. Third thing, think of the head. What? Try to predict the future. Try. What tomorrow need start working on today. Domino's in way 28 when technology was not that booming, no one has predicted, but Domino's knows. I should improve the ordering. I should improve the customer services. Though they innovated technology, they created their own app. They improve the logistic. That build customer trust. And today is the history. The share price is booming, customer satisfaction increasing, and most importantly, everyone like Domino's Pizza. The short disclaimer: how good is the pizza to the human health is a controversial debate, but Domino's Pizza amazing. I personally tested it. I liked it. So this is all about case study of the famous brand, the bounce back story of Domino's.